Hello kids, today we will learn about cleaning items in this video. Are you ready? Let's start. Broom. This is broom. Coconut broom stick. This is coconut broom stick. Mop. This is mop. Squeeze mop. This is squeeze mop. Bucket. This is bucket. Plastic mug. This is plastic mug. Plastic tub. This is plastic tub. Steel wool. This is steel wool. Faucet with tap. This is faucet with tap. Dustbin. This is dustbin. Dustpan. This is dustpan. Rag. This is rag. Garbage bag. This is garbage bag. Plunger. This is plunger. Rubber gloves. This is rubber gloves. Bottle brush. This is bottle brush. Laundry basket. This is laundry basket. Washing machine. This is washing machine. Vacuum cleaner. This is vacuum cleaner. Sponge. This is sponge. Squeeze wiper. This is squeeze wiper. Spray bottle. This is spray bottle. Soap. This is soap. Washing powder. This is washing powder. Sanitizer. This is sanitizer. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my YouTube channel.